Today we'll be discussing inscribed angles and one property the inscribed angle makes with its intercepted arc. Okay, so I'm going to be drawing a circle. Let me pick some amazing color that I can draw with. Okay, so this is my circle. It's pretty amazing. Okay, now if you know what a inscribed angle is, it has one endpoint of the two chords that intersect. That one endpoint should be on any part of the circle. Okay, so we're gonna draw this right here. And remember, in my previous video, we said it makes Pac-Man. So if you're not making Pac-Man, you're not making an inscribed angle. Because see, look, you have this right here, and then you have that. You're not making a full Pac-Man. You gotta make our Pac-Man, okay? So, let's do this. Let's X this out. That's wrong. This is an inscribed angle. Has to touch one part, okay? So, the property is where if this is X, then this right here will be 2x. Simple enough? Okay, let's keep that in mind to solve our first problem. So our first problem, our guy or whoever gave us this problem, which is me, will say, okay, well, this is congruent to this, okay? And he's like, this is like 30, and this is 2x, okay? And this is y, and this is an unknown value. We were asked to find x, y, and the unknown value. Okay, so let's do this. Since from the previous lesson we learned that congruent chords have congruent arcs, we know 2x is equal to 30. And x, by dividing 2 on both sides, is equal to 15. So that's our first answer. Okay? Now to find y, since we know the whole circle is made up of how many degrees, people? Oh, 360, right? Okay. So since we have 360, we can say that equals to 30 plus 30 plus question mark, because that's our unknown value. Okay? Now we simplify this just a bit, and we say 360 is equal to 60 plus unknown value. Simplify this even more. We do 60 subtracted on both sides, meaning there's nothing left on the side, and 300 equals to question mark. Now, this may seem a little unimaginable, but you know what? It's not drawn to scale, so yeah. Ready? Okay. So, now since we got question mark, according to the first one, if the angle is x, and then the intercepted arc is 2x, meaning now we know the intercepted arc, which we can call 2y, because since this is y, we can call this 2y, okay? So 2y is equal to what? 300, right? Because we just found that out. So if 2y is equal to 300, I'm going to subtract all of this. That's our first problem. That's what we found out. That's part of our problem. Okay? I'm going to increase the size of this one, though. And I'm going to do that. Okay? This is our junk corner right here, actually. I'll be back once I erase all the stuff. Move all our stuff into the junk corner. Okay, I'm back. We will unravel the stuff and review what we did after we're done with the problem, and we'll take it out of the junk corner. Okay, so we figured out question mark was equal to 2y. We also figured out question mark, we substituted the value for 300, which is equal to 2y. Okay, so then, as of division property of equality, we divide 2 on both sides. So we get 300 divided by 2, 150. 2 divided by 2, 1. That means y is equal to 150. So we figured out everything. X was equal to 15. Y was equal to 150. And question mark was equal to 300. Okay? So now let's unravel what we did from the junk corner. So this was our answer. Now let's bring everything out of the junk corner. Let's first bring the original problem out. Okay, so this was the original problem. Okay, so we need to find x, y, and question mark. We knew that these two were equal. Okay, so since we knew they were equal, let me draw in a darker color. Okay, and then we knew this was equal. We knew these two are equal. So that means that this arc and this arc were equal. And then what we did was we got this arc and this arc, added them together and subtracted them from 360. So we can get this intercepted arc. And we got this angle, and game over, we just solved the problem. Alrighty. We'll see you, or I'll see you, next time on Study Universe. Thank you for watching.